Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Niveta. Today I'm going to show you on how to draw a landscape step by step using a pencil. First, I'm marking the point for drawing the curved line on one side. Next, within 1 to 2 centimeter gap, I'm drawing another curved line. So this is the road. If you see, the road should look narrow or smaller when it is too far, and it has to be broader when it is nearer. I'm drawing another curved line, and this is for the fence. Now draw a small line in this end and draw another parallel curved line. Next, let's draw the simple tiny house using basic shapes. I hope everyone knows it, but still let me explain. Draw a capital L like this and draw a perpendicular line on other side, that is like X, Y, Z. Now raise a line in each ends. Next, draw a small triangle for the upper portion. Next, take this one end of a triangle and draw either a rectangle or parallelogram, whatever it is. Then add small doors and windows. To draw the trees in the same line, I'm drawing the dotted lines here. I'm drawing the bulb-shaped tree. Now for shading, let's imagine we have a sun here. When the sun rays fall, so these areas will look lighter and the other side of the area will be darker, right? Now I'm going to darken the house trees using a 6B pencil. As I said earlier, I'm shading only the front portion as this is not exposed to sun rays. Now for the tree branch, draw a small curved lines that looks like a cloud. As I said earlier, I'm darkening on one side and I'm going to draw small inner leaves on the other end which is lighter. Next I'm shading using the earbuds. Next draw the shadow of the tree on the ground where one side of the tree is darker. As usual, darken them and then shade using earbuds. Now let's draw the fence one by one. Draw the two parallel lines and then draw a V shape on the top. And again two parallel lines and the V shape top. To furthermore highlight the fence, just duplicate this one end and shade them. Hey guys, hope you like my tutorial. Please don't fail to subscribe and click on the bell icon for the notification. This working path, I have drawn one more parallel curved line and a small line in between them. To make this working path look real, I am drawing the curved line but not from the starting point but from the middle. Next, draw a small line that is perpendicular to each other. Now again I am continuing fence in this curved line. For the branch, draw a slightly curved vertical line in the upward direction. You shouldn't worry too much about using a smooth line. A slightly rougher line or irregular line will give the appearance of the bark. Now I'm darkening and shading the bottom of the green branches. Now add small inner leaves either in U or C shape. So it's almost done. Finally, I'm drawing the big shadow of the tree over the pathway. Same as usual, darkening and then shading.